Looking for a welding machine that's trusted by the best? The TATE temperature sensor welding machine is the preferred choice of top-tier temperature sensor manufacturers around the world. Why? Because it delivers superior welding performance. No more worries about overheating, oxidation, or inconsistent welds. It's designed to meet the highest industry standards, giving you confidence in every weld. With TATE, you're not just buying a machine. You're investing in a solution that's already recognized and trusted by industry leaders worldwide. Join the global network of TATE users. Make the choice for superior quality today.